I welcome you on my channel Step 1 Insights. Let's start. A pharmaceutical company is developing a new bronchodilator agent. The graph shows concentration response curves for three investigational drugs X, Y, and Z, describing their effect on bronchial smooth muscle relaxation. Based on these data, which of the following best describes the relationship among these three agents? The graph you provided shows the concentration response curves for three drugs, X, Y, and Z, which are being evaluated for their bronchodilatory effect, a measure of their efficacy in causing bronchial smooth muscle relaxation. Here's how to interpret the graph. The potency of a drug is indicated by the concentration required to produce a given effect. A more potent drug will produce its effect at a lower concentration, which would be represented by a curve further to the left on the graph. The efficacy of a drug is indicated by the maximal effect it can produce, regardless of dose. A drug with greater efficacy will have a curve that reaches a higher plateau on the graph, indicating a greater maximal response. Looking at the graph, we can determine the following. Drug X requires higher concentrations to produce any given effect compared to drugs Y and Z, indicating it is less potent. Drug Y and drug Z both reach the same maximal response, which is higher than the maximal response reached by drug X, indicating that drug X has lower efficacy. Since drug Y's curve starts to rise at a lower concentration than drug Z, drug Y is more potent than drug Z. Based on this interpretation, the correct statement that describes the relationship among these three agents would be A. Drug X is more potent than drugs Y or Z. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, click like, and never give up.